from a string, given a string S, return the vowels A, E, I, O, U from it and return the new string. So example one, we have our string, which is this string, and the output has all the letters in it without excluding the A, E, I, O, U, the vowels in it. So we can see it here. And here, this one is easy since all of these are vowels. Our output doesn't have any of them. So this can be solved easily. Let's make a set called vowels equals to A, E, I, O, U, and then let's make result equals to string that join. So we join everything, LeetCode, and then future not future in S if not in vowels. And that's basically it. Return result. Let's see, A, I, U, if not in. Then that should work. That should be it. And that's it. And it's been accepted. So our time complexity in this case is of n. No, space complexity is of 1. Let's submit to see. And all cases have been accepted, and we see time complexity of n. Space complexity also of n. Oh yes, the result increases due to the value, due to the size. So that's basically it for this problem.